Bing bong, hello. Whew. Welcome back. This guy doesn't know how to act. Oh, sheesh. Can you guys see me? Am I good? Oh, it's not good. Hey. Just come here. Yo, so check this out. All right, there we go. I think that's better, a little bit. Oh, hold on, y'all. Hold on, y'all. We're just gonna do it like this. We're just gonna stand up, I think. I think that might be. Come on. All right. Okay. All right. Whew. I'm just gonna hold it like this then. Okay. Let's get in. Bow. All right. Whew. Oh. That was a lot. That was a lot right there. So today's a big day. Let's go over these names though, and then we're gonna see which one you like. How about that? Let's go. I gotta go to the video. Yo, these names were good names. They were they were good names. Some of them funny. Let me see. So I'm just gonna list some here. Oh, I was on the toilet. I was on the toilet in that video. All right, let me go to the comments. See what we got. 30 comments. 30 names potentially, right? Jewel Ramos. No, that's not Ramos. That's freaking Mango. Nah, here we go. The Great White. Once a shark, always a shark. Oh, I get it. I'm stepping in what you're throwing down. I get it. Yeah, man. That was dope. Kelly Swanson. Kels. Brittany, as in, it's Brittany, bitch. Nah, my man. Nah. We don't identify as that. Nope. Okay. Alberto Garcia. Man, my man. Let me see. Silverback. Oh boy. Silver. Oh, hold on. Let me explain. So Silverback, as y'all know, I'm a Rough Rider. Yes. Okay, let's go. Silverback is a chapter that I'm in. Silverback? What do we think about that? Oh, okay. You like that? Okay, I'll put that one as a top 3. All right, my man. So that's going on top 3 right there. Silverback. Let me see. Nicole, Starfish, Casper, Frosty. I like Frosty. I don't know, man. I don't know. 6-act Brolo. Violator. Ooh, I do like that. I do like a violation. What do you think, man? Violator? No, I like it, but it's about what he likes. Okay. Shu says, hey, since we're here, subscribe to 6-act structure and Shu says. Let's do that. Venom. Now, I like Venom. You just let me know, bro. Okay? We're going to keep scrolling. Dionysus, because you love to drink and have fun. Dionysus. That just doesn't have... I do love to drink and have a good time, but Dionysus? Yeah, we're going to hop... No, I can't. It doesn't roll good. Zeus. Nah, I do like Zeus. What do you think, Zeus? Shoot. Okay, so Zeus. Big dog Zeus. I like that. I like that one. I like that. Okay, I got it, bro. I wrote it down. Zeus. So we're going with Zeus. So far we have Silverback and Zeus. Poseidon. Okay, Shu says my sister really wants that gift card. Poseidon, because it's mythology association with Pisces. Oh, I'm a Pisces. Duh. Yo, shouts out to all the, okay. Um, I don't know. Draco. We're gonna come back to that. Draco. I like that Draco. I like that. Kylo Ren. This is all from Shoe Says. Kylo Ren. If I hit one, just let me know. Kylo Ren, Deadpool, The One, Cayenne. Man, those were good, but they just don't hit for me. White Walker. Yo, White Walker. That's from McCants. My man out there doing it big. Hey, if you're over there in Italy, Aviano area, you need to get your window tinted. Car wrapping coming soon, I'm sure. Boom. Say that 3 times fast, okay? Hit him up. Nicholas McCants. I'm gonna find your IG and put it on the screen. Okay, let's go. Tyrone, BBJ, Big Booty Judy, Judy for short. Yeah, but it's not. I mean, my man is thick. He got a big ass. Nah. Yeah, we can't write like that. But like no. Oh man. Ooh. Also, if you're in the Utah area, you need to get your nails done. Go to this page. Morgan nailed it. Yo, it's dope. I can watch nails. High quality work right there. She says, Kev, Kev, baby, Kevin. Oh, from the Minions. Now I do like Kevin. I think what are we top 3? I don't know, but like I said, it's not up to me. Kevin. No. Okay, so I guess when I go. Come on, man. We're gonna add Kevin to the list then. Jeez. Yeah, attitude, man. We're gonna get you a name, bro. My man Finesse. Tune into that YouTube channel, Lifestyle. Yo, I like your intro, bro. I want to steal it. I like it. Moon, Snow Bluff, Blizzard, Snipper or Sniper. I think that's Sniper. I like. All right. Oh, okay. Sniper's on the list. I do like that. Now Draco was on the list too. But he was the first one that mentioned it. So, Shu, you don't get that. You get that, my man. Because you were the first one. Draco. I do like Draco, though. But the only thing I have against it is it's already associated with Young Soldier, you know? Mr. Lover Lover. Yo, Nicole. Yo, you have to say it in that voice, too. Mr. Lover Lover. Hey, and you spelt that right. That's funny. Shark Tooth. Porsche. Damn, Nicole wanted this is all Nicole's right here. She wants that gift card too. Sammy, White Wizard, Snow Bunny, Randy, Randy, uh, Goat, Jackie Baby, Coco. That's the cat's name. Nose Candy, the White Steed, White Rose, Sandy Candy. Damn, Nicole came through strong off rip with about 45 names. Also sent me some on Facebook too. And last but not least, Geo, my man said Bisha. It means beast. All right. So I think we narrowed it down to 5 or 6. In no particular order. Let me see. I remember, Bisha. Let me see. Bisha, Kevin, Sniper, Draco, Zeus. Now I'm gonna throw this one in a hat and let me know. My sister put out the name Hate. You already knew I was gonna say it. Hades. Now I like that because you got Hades and then you got Spawn, both representations of the underworld. Brothers. Woo! I really like that. I really like Zeus or Hades. That's just me, bro. I just like Hades. So we got Hades, Zeus, Draco, Venom. I'm gonna throw that on there. I don't know. Violator. I'm gonna put that up there too. Silverback. So what do y'all think? What do y'all think it's gonna be? I know. I know how we're gonna do this. Y'all hold on a second. Come on. Let me in here, man. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, germs and worms. It's only get out of her. Look, man. It's only right. I'm gonna do it like this though. I want to introduce you to Silverback. Oh,
Vibrations.
Oh, there it is. There it is. Yo, my man is back. Silverback. Hey, I gotta keep it real. I gotta keep it true, you know? Gotta keep it real. Until next time, that was it. I hope you had a good time. My man finally has a name. Tune in to IG, you'll see it all. And there's, you know, dang. Whew, that was a lot. I'm just excited. I'm just so excited. Hey, until we see you next time, you already know what it is. 2 whales, 1 love. Stay tuned. Keep your peace.